Okay, I'm actually going to share how I would make a salad with the children. Each child would have a little cutting board, or just have one per station, and one at a time can cut in a small group of 5 or 6 with a parent helper. So, and then they get a butter knife. So with the lettuce, they could just rip it and that's fine. So you don't even need a knife for that. Here's some of the crunchy part, delish. You can have a child cut with a butter knife. So I would have it already decently small, so not so big, so it is easy to cut. So cut up the broccoli, and pass the cutting board to the next child, and then they cut the next vegetable. So we've got the cucumber. So I won't cut the whole thing to save some time, but then they just cut that. Watch the fingers, of course. And I like cutting cherry tomatoes. Another child pass the cutting board around in the circle. Another child can cut the cauliflower. So I already peeled it, I washed it, but I like it to be cut in like these little slivers. And then the green pepper, you can see all the seeds in the pepper there. Okay, so then we're going to mix. Now, I would not actually put the red onion in because I find a lot of kids don't like onions. So I would bring dressing for the kids, and they can pick if they'd like to eat it plain or with dressing. So like ranch dressing or other things that kids might like. So there you go. So now we have more salad in there, and I'm going to eat lunch. I'm hungry. I like to eat it with avocado, and you could offer that to your children too if they would like. A little slice of avocado with their salad. All right, I am ready to eat. Bon appetit! Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try to make a salad with your class. And how did you do it? I know I've liked to have it in small groups with a parent at every table. You could do it as a demonstration like I have done, so you can do all the chopping if you prefer, and you know your students best whether this is a good idea or not. So stay tuned, stay lovely, stay healthy. Bye for now.